Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi droppings on XIAOMI Black Shark Pad 7. Start by checking your Wi-Fi connection. Swipe down the control center, hold your finger down on the Wi-Fi tile, and here check your Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi you're currently connected to. Now tap the gear icon next to your currently selected Wi-Fi and check its frequency. Now if it has 5 GHz frequency, it's good for the Wi-Fi speed, but it's not good for coverage. Generally speaking, the Wi-Fi networks with 5 GHz frequency will have a smaller coverage area. Therefore, if you want a more stable Wi-Fi, you either have to move closer to your 5 GHz router or find the 2.4 version of it in the Wi-Fi list and connect to it using the same password. And this should give you the better signal strength, but of course the lower speed. Now the next thing is keeping your device up to date. Go to System, then select System Updates, check for available updates, and if you do have one to install, then take your time to download and install it. And after that, also try restarting your tablet. Hold down power button and volume up key at the same time to open up the power menu. Select restart and let your device reboot. After the restart, check your connection stability once again. And if you're still having some kind of issues, maybe you have too many saved Wi-Fi networks, and to resolve this issue, in such case, go to System on the sidebar of your settings, then select Reset Options and reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi by selecting the respective option right here. Then confirm by selecting Reset, and then you're of course gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So go back to Network and Internet, Networks, select your network, enter the password, and after that your issue will be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.